how to fix no service on your iPhone problem. Now, this can be due to various reasons. Some of the reasons can be that your SIM card might be damaged. If that's the case, you'll just have to replace your SIM card. But if that's not the case, the other reasons can be poor network connection or your software problem. So just if the poor network connection is the problem, just go to an area with a very good mobile network coverage and that should fix your problem. But if that's not the problem, what you can do is go to your settings, and after you are on your settings, just go to your cellular option. Now after you're there, go to cellular data options and make sure that your voice and data is selected on LTE and not 3G or 2G. Now that's the first fix. Other is you can just scroll down from the top right and turn on and turn off the airplane mode. Yeah, sometimes that helps too. So now what you can do is you can just go to general and scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on transfer and reset iPhone and tap on reset. Make sure that you do not erase all content and settings. Tap on reset and there you will see reset network settings. Now you can just reset your network settings and type in your phone's password and that will reset your network settings. So that's the other fix. Now the last and final fix is your problem could be caused due to a software issue. So what you can do is go to general and go to software update and check if there is a software update available, because software updates come with bug fixes and your problem can get fixed due to the bug fix too. So yeah, that is all of the fixes guys. I hope one of these fixes help you solve your problem. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like down below and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Bye bye.